Right here, I'm going to start up by mashing the banana. You're going to use 1/2 of a banana, ripe banana, a dash of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And you're just going to start off by mixing it all up. You're going to need 1 fresh squeezed lemon. I used 1/2 of the lemon. I did remove the seeds. And you're just going to mix that all up. I also added some oatmeal. I used the instant pack of oatmeal, and I'm just mixing that up all together in my little container.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me. Today I'm going to be showing you a skincare routine. Just a simple DIY just to get your skin clear, with all of this stress stuff going on. I made an oatmeal, honey, cinnamon, lemon, and banana mask. Sorry about that, but yeah, a banana mask. I'm going to start off by using some alcohol just to get all the oil and stuff off my face first, just to dry it off. And then I'm going to apply the mask. Now that I went ahead and just took the alcohol and cleaned off my face, I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, just a little cleaner. Now I'm just going to take my clean hands in the mask, and just apply it on my face. And when you're doing up under your eyes, I like to just bring it back to reduce any bags that you have up under there. Get your nose. And it helps with moisture, the whole combination of everything anyway. So yeah, any dry spots that you have, and my nose has been really dry this week, so yeah. And once you apply the mask, you're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it on, get in the shower, and wash it off. And when I get back out the shower, I'll show you the difference.
Alright guys, I got it all applied. I'm about to let it get on my face for about 15-20 minutes. I'm about to jump in the shower. Check y'all back. Okay guys, so yeah, I just got out the shower. I just washed it all off while I was in the shower. You want to use lukewarm water to wash it off and a washcloth. I did. So my skin feels a lot soft. Oops, I still got some little left right there. But yeah, my skin feels very soft. Yeah, I took out my nose rings too. I don't know. It says do it once a week. I'll probably try it again in a couple days just to see how it does overall with my face. Now I'm about to show y'all how I do my eyebrows. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off taking my eyebrow brush and just brushing my eyebrows up. And then the method that I use is very, very simple. Okay, so that's all brushed up. First I'm gonna start off by taking 3 tweezers. And I'm gonna go in, just see me look in the mirror. You just want to take your tweezers and get against all the hairs. The little scraggly pieces. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like those little spots underneath and all of that.
I used to always get my eyebrows waxed. And then when I was in high school, I switched over to threading. Let me take this off, I look crazy. But I switched over to threading, and then I started using nair my eyebrows, and then I went from there to just tweezing them. And just like I'm holding my eyebrow up, that's where you get a and I'm gonna just brush this one up to see if we can can't see the difference already with this one just being plucked underneath. And this one not yet. I know I still have to use the go at the top, but let's get to it. They just want to use the same thing, and I always use 2 pair of tweezers because one's grip better than the other. And you just gotta get in there and get them hairs, girl. I'm not gonna lie though, threading your eyebrows hurts. Tweezing them hurts too, but nothing hurts worse than me than getting them threaded. So a lot of people might find it weird too, but to get the perfect eyebrows for me, I've always done just, as you can see, up under, above it, however, as you need to. I used to have a pair of the eyebrow scissors quite a few times, and I done lost them. So once again, look at the difference. Perfect eyebrow cleanup, top and bottom, and of course right here where you do have like little hair grows. So all I gotta do is do the exact same thing on this side, and all I'm gonna do is brush down. And do the same thing. I'm gonna follow my arch and whatever isn't there, I'm gonna do that. And you see, I'm switching tweezers, so same thing. I won't be in the camera as much. But this way, I start from the back side because it's easier. So just in case any of y'all wondering, it's quarantine. I can't get my nails done. I can't get my hair done. I can't get my eyebrows done. I'm looking like, whoo, out here. I got you. Just stay tuned to all my little videos. I'm not gonna call them a quarantine series, but there'll be help hints that you can use with or without. Like board in the house, whatever. Once I got to this point, because this arch over here is a little bit bigger, because I know this is nothing. Let's see it's back, but this one is a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush up this eyebrow. Okay. I think I am gonna remove just a little bit of this up here. A little bit turned out to be 2 hairs. And then I'm gonna take my brush again. Okay, so this is my eyebrow brush. And it just looks to get like a nice little even cut on both sides. And I'm gonna just repeat the same thing on the other brow. Let's get it. Ow. On the other brow. Ow. Let's get it. Next, I'm gonna take a Q-tip. Yeah, let's keep it flat. I'm gonna do the same on the top side. And not much came off. And then let's do the same thing on the other end. Not really the best, but I'm gonna wash it off, and then you'll see my actual eyebrows. So on a day-to-day basis, depending on how I'm feeling, if I really want to sit there and do my eyebrows, they'll be like this. But more so filled in right here. That's what it's like. Hey, girl. Okay guys, so I'm back. I done did my edges. Took out my little curly ponytail part. Make me still look like something. But I did wipe it all off. Like it's no more of the pomade coming off at all. At all. But these are how my eyebrows look. I don't know if it's like staining them or something, but yeah. Quick little DIY. Do your eyebrows. Hey. Would you just look at that after mask glow?